In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Trustpilot to your Shopify store, keeping it simple and straightforward. Enhancing your store with Trustpilot reviews can build credibility and trust with your customers, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll want to install the Farah app. This app is a great tool for managing customer reviews in an efficient way. It offers a variety of features that help you display reviews elegantly and seamlessly on your website. To get the Farah app, simply head over to the Shopify App Store. Once you're there, search for Farah, and you'll see it listed among the options. Click on Install and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Remember, in order to access all the features needed for this integration, you'll need to subscribe to one of their plans. Choose the plan that best suits your business needs. They offer several tiers, so you can pick what works for you. Once you've successfully installed and subscribed to the plan that suits your store's requirements, the next step is to access your Farah dashboard. Here, you'll notice that you have a variety of options and settings at your fingertips. What we want to focus on today is the Reviews section. Go ahead and click on Reviews to access the next steps in our process. Within the Reviews section, you'll see an option that allows you to add a review. Now, this is where Farah shines, giving you flexibility in how you choose to import and display reviews on your site. Click on Add Review, and you'll see several options. You can import reviews, write them manually, or ask your customers for them. For today's purpose, we'll be focusing on importing from Trustpilot, which is one of the options for the source of your reviews. As you select Trustpilot as your source, you'll need to make sure you've connected your Trustpilot account with Farah. This step is crucial as it ensures that your reviews are genuinely coming from Trustpilot, lending authenticity and reliability to your review display. Follow the prompts to log into your Trustpilot account and authorize Farah to access your reviews. Once that's done, Farah will begin importing the reviews over to your Shopify store. By doing this, you're allowing prospective customers to see trusted reviews, which can greatly influence their purchasing decisions. Showing authentic reviews can improve trust and conversion rates on your Shopify store. To wrap this up, integrating Trustpilot reviews using the Farah app is a fantastic way to leverage customer feedback to boost your Shopify store. Take your time to explore the Farah app further, as it has many other functionalities that can enhance your customer interactions and help you reach your business goals. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.